Welcome to Ellesmere Port, a small industrial town in the heart of Cheshire in the northwest of England. This is where I live. Ellesmere Port is very much an industrial treasure trove which can be seen from its hoard of industrial archaeology and Victorian architecture. The quiet town owes much of its existence to the Ellesmere Canal, which saw the town emerge as a major cargo port through its profitable links to Liverpool and Manchester. It was from the town's heavily connected waterways which brought an increasing amount of shipment traffic, which transformed the economy of the town into a large-scale industrial port. This is very much the starting point of the town's rich history, enabling the construction of major money machines such as industrial plants and motor factories. Stanlow is a major industrial staple to the town, known as the second largest refinery in the UK and acting as a crucial part of the oil network, as well as the Vauxhall Motors car factory opening in 1962 and creating thousands of new jobs for the people of the town. With the increased presence of factory workers throughout the town, the Station Hotel was once one of the main social hubs of Ellesmere Port. It recently closed due to declining customs, but it will always be part of the history within the town. The hotel is situated close to the town's major railway stations and is one of the main transport links into the town. It was originally opened in 1863 as Whitby Locks, but it was renamed only 7 years later. The station building is recorded as a designated Grade 2 listed building. It became part of the Merseyrail network in 1994, bringing better links to Liverpool and the Wirral. Now, much of the town's history can be found at the National Waterways Museum, a rich collection of historic archives and exhibits. Historical retelling of the once bustling town of economic growth and rapid development. Once a nosy shipment dock, the Manchester Ship Canal is a popular tourist attraction. The town is most famous today for its retail and social links. Cheshire Oaks is the largest outlet shopping centre in the UK. It attracts thousands of visitors a month with its 145 outlet stores. Ellesmere Port is a place of historical, social, recreational interest. Its history will always lie deep in the foundations of economical and industrial regeneration for years to come.